Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about crunch the numbers. This sounds cool, right? Crunch the numbers means to do a lot of calculation, to deal with numbers, to analyze them, to examine them. In short, when we process numbers, in short, when we are calculating, we are doing things which require numerical calculations. So, whenever you want to talk about a lot of numerical work or calculation, you can use this phrase, crunch the number. Let's see how we can use this in examples. Example 1. I have been crunching the numbers for a week now, but I still can't understand how we can afford to live at such expensive place. Here it means that the person has done a lot of calculation for a week now, but after doing that calculation also he is unable to understand how they are going to live at such expensive place, how they are going to afford that expensive place. So crunching the numbers, lot of calculation, right? Let's take one more example. We decided to invest in this new project after our finance team had crunched the numbers to ensure its profitability. So this phrase can also be used in offices like we saw in this example. Let's have a look at it once again. We decided to invest in this new project after our finance team had crunched the numbers. Here we have used this in past perfect form. So we have decided that we are going to put money in this project after our finance team had done a lot of calculations, have done a lot of examination of the numbers, after they have analyzed the numbers they have, to ensure that this project will be profitable. Simple, right? Let's take one last example, and I'm sure you will never forget that what is crunch the numbers. Preparing this report required a lot of effort and many days of crunching numbers. Preparing this report, the report which I have prepared, it required two things. One, my efforts, and I had to do a lot of calculations for many days. I hope you have understood this phrase very well. I would love to see your own sentences in the comment section. Please write. This is Anushree signing off. Thank you.